Welcome, in front of me is REALME GT 7T, and today I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock password. In this situation, if you don't have face unlock or fingerprint unlock features enabled on your device, then the first solution that you should consider would be to try and take your time and try to remember the password that you used last time. You maybe want to give it a couple of tries, and maybe one time it will work, and this will save you a lot of time and a lot of work in the future, and might also save your personal data. Now, if you really can't remember the password that you used last time, then the other solution would be to reach out to REALME customer support service and explain your situation to them. If you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access without removing all data from your phone. Now, if you don't have access to this option either, then you can simply erase all data and regain access to your device, and you can do this two ways. If you have Google account connected to your phone, then you can use Find My Device feature in order to delete all data remotely. To do that, you just have to enter your Google account from any other device that you're using and select this device and erase all data from it. Now, if you don't have this option enabled, you can also perform a factory reset using recovery mode on your phone. And if you don't know how to do this, we have an entire video on our channel explaining the process step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And I hope that one of the solutions I mentioned helped you, and if it did, let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.